Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize GA4 with Shopify for revenue attribution step by step clearly. To authorize GA4 with Shopify for revenue attribution, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the admin panel located on the left side of your dashboard. In the admin panel, scroll down to find Online Store and click on it. Next, select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the section labeled Google Analytics. If you have not already done so, ensure you create a Google Analytics 4 property in your Google Analytics account. Copy the measurement ID from your GA4 property. Return to your Shopify admin panel. In the Google Analytics section, paste your measurement ID into the designated field. Make sure to enable Use Enhanced E-commerce if you are planning to track product impressions, actions, and conversions. Click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. The next step involves checking your settings in Google Analytics. Log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to your GA4 property dashboard. Under the Admin section, select Data Streams and choose your Shopify data stream from the list. Ensure that all relevant settings, particularly for enhanced e-commerce, are properly configured. To start tracking revenue, you'll need to implement e-commerce tracking in Shopify. Go to the Shopify admin and access settings at the bottom left of the panel. Select Checkout and scroll to the Order Status Page section. In this section, configure your order status page to include the tracking code provided by GA4. Once the tracking code is added, save your changes. Return to your Google Analytics account to confirm that data is being collected. You can do this by checking the real-time report and verifying that your store interactions are showing up. Wait for up to 24 hours to ensure that revenue attribution tracking is functioning properly. Monitor your Google Analytics reports to analyze the performance of your sales with the new tracking setup. By following these steps, you will have successfully authorized GA4 with Shopify for revenue attribution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.